Good evening, everyone. I would invite Kevin sir to start the session. Yes, sir. Kevin sir. Sir, you can start the session, sir. Just wait for a few seconds, students.
Good evening, dear students.
Yes, sir. You're audible, sir.
Okay. So we'll continue with our class today, dear students. So yesterday I had given you two question as homework and two topic as homework. Isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So have you done your homeworks?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So what is the answer for the second question you got? I had given a question, let us say, when the axes are translated to the point 5 comma minus 2. So the question is I gave a
X,
second question as homework. And the
xy,
equation
sir,
xy
xy is equal to 1, sir. I got xy equals to 1, sir, as answer. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I
minus
also.
5y minus 11 is equal to 0. What was your answer?
xy is equal to 1, sir.
Xy is equal to
1.
1
1.
of xy. Excuse me. Is it small xy or capital XY?
Capital, sir.
Very
Sir,
good.
capital, sir.
We
Capital.
can't use a small xy there. Sometimes what happens is in the option there will be also like this. Let us say if there is one option, capital XY is equal to 1. And sometimes they what they'll do to confuse you, they can give small xy is equal to 1 also. Always remember the transformed equation will come in the capital letters. Okay, we'll go to the next question. Same thing, we'll go for a translation of the equation, so we'll go there. Next question. When the axes are translated, minus 2 comma 3, when the axes are translated to minus 2 comma 3, then the transformed equation of the curve, 2x square plus 4xy, 2x square plus 4xy plus 5y square minus 4x minus 22y plus 7 is equal to 0. When the axes are translated to minus 2 comma 3, then the equation 2x square plus 4xy plus 5y square minus 4x minus 22y plus 7 is equal to 0. What will be the transformed equation of this curve? Same thing. We solved at the beginning.
Yes, sir.
They already told
Yes,
that the equations are getting translated to minus 2 comma 3. That is the new. This is my new origin. So
H comma K. Comma K.
okay, let us say okay. This is h comma k. But wait, I'll be teaching you one more simplified method. You can solve this problem within 1 minute. Not even 1 minute is required. So this is of the equation of type ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So we know that when this equation is transformed by translation of axis, this term is getting 0. This term is getting cancelled. This term is getting cancelled. And the transformed equation will become like ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus what will be that be the other one? G small x1 plus f small y1 plus c is equal to 0. I think this is corollary number 3 or something we learned.
Yes, sir.
No, the corollaries we learned this one. I think 4 or 3, I don't exactly.
Third, fourth one. Fourth one, sir.
That means the equation is becoming like this. So no need of going for any further classification or simplification there. Just find out your A, B, C, F, G, H, K value. That's all. So we have to find out our A, B, C, everything value. So look at the question and you should find out the value. That is A value is how much?
2.
A value
2,
is 2.
sir.
Just, since this I'll rub off this general equation and write my A value there. So I want the screen afterwards. I want this equation also for you to. Alright. What is my A value? A value is equal to 2. What is my B value?
Five,
B
sir.
value is equal to 5. What is my 2H value?
4.
4. From the
Four,
question,
sir.
2H value is 4. Then what is my G value?
Minus 4.
Value is minus 4. Is it G value is minus 4? Look at the general equation in this equation.
Yeah,
2
sir.
into
Minus 2, sir.
Gx.
Minus 2.
Minus
G
2,
will be
sir.
minus
Minus
2.
2.
And what is my F value?
Minus 11.
Minus 11.
Is equal to minus 11. What is my C value?
7.
7.
Okay, we got everything. Now what is my x1 value and y1 value?
XY.
No,
Minus
x1, y1 value is nothing but the new coordinate. What is the shifting of the new origin? Minus 2 comma 3,
Minus
correct?
2, comma 3.
So,
Yes, sir.
minus 2, y1 will be 3. So the transformed equation become, put every value in this equation. That is ax square, that is a means 2 capital X square plus 2h, value of 2h is 4 capital XY plus b value is 5 capital Y square plus g value is how much? Minus 2 into x1, minus 2 into minus 2, 4 plus f value is how much? Minus 11, that is minus 33 plus 7 is equal to 0. Simplify this one, that's all. 2x square plus 4xy plus 5y square plus 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 minus
Minus
33 is equal
22.
to
Minus
22.
22.
That is minus 22 is equal to 0. The transformed equation is capital 2x square plus 4xy plus 5y square is equal to, is equal to 0. See, yesterday for the same problem we take 5 minutes, correct? No, we simplify this one. But I wanted you to practice that method also.
Okay, sir.
The same problem can be done very easily if you know the theorems and corollary. Why I use this corollary method today means to make sure if you don't learn the theorem and corollary, how much time you have to waste for one question. Okay, now we'll solve this same type one more question. Let us see how fast you'll answer. That when the axes are translated to the point minus 1 comma 1, that is my axes are translated to the point minus 1 comma 1, then the equation x square plus 2y square plus 2x minus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0 is transformed as dash. This my axes are translated to minus 1 comma 1, and the equation of the curve x square plus 2y square plus 2x minus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0 is gets transformed into what type of equation? Let me see. I'll give you 1 minute time. You have to find the value of a, b, g, f, c. Since hy is not there, no problem. Substitute the equation.
Quadratic equation.
I want the equation. I don't know what type of equation. I want the answer.
Minus whole square plus 2 into 1 whole square plus 2 into minus 1
Oh, wrong.
x is equals to minus 1, sir. Y
Equal
is
to
equals
minus
to 1.
Look at the equation. The equation is different from the previous equation. We have learned different corollaries.
Sir, x square plus 2y square
Ah,
minus 1 is equal to 0, sir.
very good. X square
Plus 2y square minus 1
minus 1 is equal to 0 plus
equals 0.
2y square is equal to 1. Anything is okay. Same thing. My a value is 1. My b value is 2. My g value is
1.
1. My h value is minus 2. My c
Sir,
value is
F value. F
value
value.
is minus 2, and my c value is
Same. 2.
plus 2, and my x1 is equal to minus 1, my y1 is equal to plus 1. So
Yes, sir.
therefore, become how much? Equation, let us say, x square will becomes capital X square plus 2 capital Y square plus this will become, let us take it as gx1 plus fy1 plus c is equal to 0. That is equal to x square plus 2y square plus g. What is my g value is 1 into minus 1 plus my f value is minus 2 into y1
Minus 2.
plus c value is
Plus 2.
plus 2 is equal to 0. Plus 2 minus 2 it cancels. So x square plus 2y square minus 1 is equal to 0, plus x square plus 2y square is equal to 1. Just 1 minute problem, that's all. There is no quadratic function or binomial function here. Okay, I'll give you one more question as a homework. Please try this one as a homework. The axis are transformed or shifted to 5 comma minus 2. The axis are shifted or transformed to the 5 comma minus 2. Then the equation xy plus 2x minus 5y plus 11 is equal to 0 gets transformed into dash. I'll repeat the question.
Yes,
The
sir.
origin is shifted to the point 5 comma minus 2. Then the equation of the curve xy plus 2x minus 5y plus 11 is transformed into dash. So you understood how to do the transformation of equation when the axis of shifting is given.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Take this as question as a homework. Please look at the question carefully. So only I told you to learn all the corollaries. Each corollary is different equation we are learning. Corollary 1, corollary 2, corollary 3, and so on. So go through the concepts. Don't worry, see, this is only level 1 questions, it is easy. When you go to level 2 and level 3, we'll be using those corollaries not directly, we'll be applying it. Meantime, you have to get ready. So only, yeah, of course, it's understood that within one day you can't learn all those theorems and corollaries and all the important points.
Sir?
Only daily 2 when we do problems, write the formula every time. Why write the general equation every time? Why write the formula every time? So you also learn to practice writing that one. Okay, coming back. Now we go to the next question. The point to which the origin has to be shifted. The point to which the origin has to be shifted in order to eliminate x and y terms. The point to which the origin has to be shifted in order to eliminate the xy terms from the equation 2x square plus 3y square minus 12x minus 12y plus 21 is equal to 0 is dash. The question is that now they are given an equation. From this equation, I have to delete x and y terms. I have to delete x and y terms. For this, I should shift my origin to which point? I can do the same problem in 2 or 3 different methods. I'll be teaching all the 3 different methods. You learn whatever method you want. All the methods are based on theorems only, on this results of the theorems. This corollary is nothing but the results of the theorems. So look at this equation carefully. The equation is of the form ax square plus by square minus g minus 2gx plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is of this equation. For this equation, in order to delete x and y term, the origin has to be shifted to which point?
Sir, homework answer x, y is
Minus
equals to y.
G by a
minus G by A, comma F by B.
by
F
b.
by B, sir.
If you know this corollary, 1 second, means 15 seconds answer. So what is my g value here? If you look carefully, my g value is minus 6.
Minus 6, sir.
My f value is minus 6.
Minus 6.
My a value is 2. B
2,
value is 3.
3.
So that is minus g by minus get cancels.
Minus 3, comma
By
minus
2,
3.
comma
Uh,
6
3,
by
comma
3 is equal to 3, comma 2.
2.
Now let us say you don't know the theorem, you don't know the corollary, you have forgotten, you can confusing. That is the minus g by h or minus f by h. You don't know, you're confusing. Go to second method. Take the equation 2x square plus 3y square minus 12x minus 12y plus 21 is equal to 0. Now take this equation. Bring all the x terms together. 2x square minus 12x plus 3y square minus 12y plus 21 is equal to 0. What is common here? I'll take only 2. I don't want to take x. I'll take 2 out. If I take 2 out, what is remaining? X square minus 6x. Right? Now,
Yes, sir.
now here also, I'll keep my y inside. I'll take the number common. The common number is 3.
sir. 3.
Y square minus
3, sir.
4y
4y. 4y
uh,
minus
plus 21
21.
is equal to 0. So listen carefully. Now I'm writing x square minus 6x. This is what happens when you don't know theorem. You have to go a little longer step. So I don't know theorem, so I forgot it. I'm going to simplify this and reducing it equation. X square minus 6x, I'm writing it as a perfect square. So x square. So x square
Minus 3x.
minus
2 into x into 3
x into 3 plus
plus 3 square.
9.
Yes. 9.
3 square, correct now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, remember carefully, we have to subtract 9. I'll keep
Yes,
it
sir.
as
Minus.
So
Minus.
plus, not only you have to subtract 9, you have to subtract 18. 9 into 2. 2 is balance here. Okay, 3. Here also, make it a perfect square. Y square minus 2 into y into 2 plus 2 square is equal to 4. So now I have to add and subtract some things. So 21 is there. So here I have added, how much I have added? 9 into 2, 18. So I have to subtract 18 here. So here how much I have added? 4
Sir,
into 3,
how,
12 I
sir?
have added. I have to
How,
subtract
sir?
minus 12 is equal to 0. How must see? We are making a perfect square inside.
Minus 18. How it
Minus,
came, sir?
minus. See, if for example, let us say, I am doing this addition and subtraction here itself, let us say, plus 9 minus 9. Bracket is there. So if I multiply, if I want only so much, I am taking this term outside means 2 into 9, 18, plus into minus, minus 18.
Yes, sir. I understood now.
So now if you look carefully, the equation becomes, this is in the form of x minus 3 whole square, correct? Plus 3 into y minus 2 whole square plus, not it's not plus, it will become minus. That is equal to 18 plus 2, 20,
9,
20
sir.
plus 10, 30.
9, 9, minus
That
9.
is minus 9 is equal to 0. So I simplify this equation. 2x minus 3 whole square plus 3 y minus 2 whole square is equal to 9.
So it
You
looks
look
like
carefully,
very.
the equation is in the form of a into x plus alpha whole square plus b
Yes, sir.
into y plus
The
beta whole
formula
square is equal to c.
A
And we know
minus
that
B whole square.
the
Corollary, sir.
origin of this one is minus alpha
Minus
comma
alpha
minus.
by minus
That
beta.
is my alpha value is equal to minus 3, my beta value is equal to minus 2. This equation, everybody knows this equation. This is the easiest theorem. So
Yes, sir.
center is minus alpha comma minus beta. That means my center is how much? 3 comma 2. Same answer we're getting now.
Yes, sir.
See, for this method, how much time we are spending, and when you know the theorem, how much time you are spending. Of course, you max I said no. You can use lot of methods and so on, no problem. But the thing is time consumption. So if you know the theorem, if you know the corollaries, the results of the theorem, you can solve the same problem within 1 minute. Not even 1 minute is required. If you don't know the formula, you have to do so many steps. So you can please copy both the method also. Sometimes, if you are not sure of the formula, use this method.
Sir,
Because
but answers are different, no, sir.
then
In first method, we got 3 comma minus 3.
3 comma 2, who told 3 comma minus 3? Here, first method we got 3 comma 2 minus g by a minus f by b. Minus into minus is plus 6. A value is 2,
Okay.
6 by 2 is equal to 3. Minus into minus plus 6, 6 by 3 is equal to 2, 3 comma 2. How come we got 3 comma minus 3?
Sir, I took B also too, sir. Okay, sir, I understand.
Please copy down the both the methods, because sometimes if you forget, I'm telling again and again, your IIT exams, for every wrong answer, you're getting negative marking. For every wrong answer, you'll be getting negative marking. So only when you are not sure of the formula, please use these alternative methods. Don't simply guess, do the guesswork and lose the mark. Okay, we go for the next question. 2x square plus 7y square plus 8x minus 14y plus 16. Sorry, not plus 16, plus 15 is equal to 0. Same thing, you have to remove x and y. You have to remove x and y. Where should I shift my origin? Look at the equation, what type of equation? And You know the corollary, use the corollary. If you don't know corollary, go for the second method. More than 30 seconds are over. No answer.
So 7/2.
Sir,
No, sir, no, sir. Oh, sorry.
minus 2 comma 1, sir.
Minus-
Yes, sir. Minus 2 comma 1.
Minus 2 comma 1, correct.
Yes.
Because see here, by looking at the question itself, you'll understand. My G value is 4, correct?
Yes, sir.
And my F value is equal to minus 7.
Minus 7.
A value is 2. This one, that means this will get minus, this will get plus, minus 2 comma 1.
Minus 2 comma 1.
Yeah, I solved within 5 seconds. But tuck, no matter finding all the values. What value is required, find that and do it. Okay. Same type, we'll go for next little higher. Equation 14x square minus 4xy plus 11y square minus 36x plus 48y plus 41 is equal to 0. Same thing, we have to remove x and y terms. Now look at the question carefully. The equation is of the form ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. For this equation, if you want to relate x and y terms, the origin has to be shifted to no answer.
HK.
No,
Minus F by H, comma minus J by
no,
H.
wrong. There is something called 2hxy. 4xy is there. First corollary. That is, you have to shift the origin to
HF minus BG by AB minus H
AB
square,
minus h square.
comma GH minus
H
AF
minus
by
AF by
AB
AB
minus H
minus.
AB minus h square. Now, first find all the values. A value is equal to 14. B value is equal to 11. Then H value is equal to minus 2. F value is equal to 24. G value is equal to minus 13. Then any other value you want? A, B, G, F, H. Enough. No matter finding C and so on. Put all the values in the formula. HF minus 2 into 24 is minus 48. BG 11 into minus 13. 13 ones are 13. 13 ones are 13. Plus 1, 14. Minus 143. Minus plus by AB. Again 14, 1 carry. 11, 14, 11, say 114 is a 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 154. Minus H square 4. Comma H. G value is minus 13. H value is minus 2. Minus get cancels. 13 2s are 26. Minus 15 into 24. What is the value of 14 into 24? 14 into 24.
Sir, 3.
336.
Yeah, sir,
336.
3
36.
36. Sir.
336 divided by AB minus 30 is 154 minus 4. So this is equal to 143. 143 minus 48. That is equal to 13 minus 8 is 2 plus 5.
95.
95. 95 by 150. correct?
Yes,
Come on.
sir.
Here,
Minus 310 by 150.
By 150, sir.
310 by
310.
150.
150.
simplify further. By 1s are 5.
19 by
19
by
19 is
30.
95.
19 by
19 by
30, comma
30, comma, minus 62 by 30.
By 30 is
minus 31 by 15.
62 by
minus 31 by
15.
15. So this is the place where we have to shift our origin.
Yes, sir.
Do you
Yes, sir.
understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now shall we go to the next this one?
Yes, sir.
This is very easy question. You should answer it in 2 seconds, not even 2 seconds is required. If the distance between two given points, let's say some point P and let us say P, that means old axis, new axis. The distance between, not sorry. I'll first I'll declare the question and I'll explain the question. Don't worry. The distance between 2 points. Write the question. If the distance between two given points, the distance between two given points is 5 units. The distance between two given points is 5 units, and the points are transformed. And the points are transferred by shifting origin to 2, 2. The points are transferred by shifting origin by 2, 2. Then the distance between the points and the distance between the points in the new origin, sorry, in the new position is dash. So what they're telling is, let us take this as my old x-axis, my original y-axis. So there is one point P and Q. And they're telling the distance of this P and Q is how much? 5 units. And this is my
Yes,
origin,
sir.
0, 0. And now they're telling that the origin is shifted to a new point, let us say 2, 2. My origin is shifted to a new point 2, 2, O dash. Then what is the distance between P and Q?
Sir, can you repeat?
They're telling that somebody has put on the mic and it is echoing. They're telling that when the in the, let us say, in the axis, the original axis, point P and Q is there, but the distance between point P and Q is 5 units. Now what is happening? They are shifting this origin to the new place, 2, 2. In this new position, what is the distance between P and Q?
5 units.
Same, sir.
Very good.
5 units.
5 units.
5 units only.
Because in the beginning of the theory itself is said, in the transformation of equations or shift, whether it is rotation or translation or general transformation, in the beginning itself I told, the length, area,
Curve,
Curve.
angle.
Angle.
angle will never change.
Yes, sir.
So therefore, the distance remains the same. Let us see. Next question. When 0, 0 is shifted to, when 0, 0 is shifted to 3, minus 3, when 0, 0 is shifted to 3, minus 3, then the coordinates P 5, 5, Q minus 2, 4, Q minus 2, 4, and R 7, minus 7, will become A, B, C in the new system. Will become A, B, C in the new system. Then find the area of triangle ABC. Then find the area of triangle ABC. You understood the question, dear students?
Yes, sir.
You have to do the answer and tell me the answer. Unless you want my help.
No, sir, we want to
No,
solve.
sir.
Okay, let me give you. You want 1 minute? 1 minute is more. Okay, take 1 minute.
Yes, yes, sir.
So you have to find that area of triangle ABC, not area of triangle PQR.
So,
Yes,
can I tell the points?
everything is on the
Sir, is it
screen.
43?
43 unit.
Yes, sir.
43 what?
43 square units. Square
Very good.
units.
43 square units. Correct. So see what they are telling is 0, 0 is shifted to 3, minus 3. What is 0, 0? 0, 0 is origin.
Origin.
Origin is shifted to a new point. And
H comma.
in the old system, if you want, I will draw a small diagram. In the old system, there is P, there is Q, there is R, and this is forming one triangle. Some triangle. And we are shifting our origin to a new system, 3, minus 3. And because of that, the PQR is becoming ABC. And asking that area of triangle ABC. That means area of triangle ABC is equal to nothing but area of triangle
Area of
equal
triangle
to area of
PQR.
triangle PQR. And we know the formula of area of triangle PQR. A is equal to half into determinant of 5, 5, 1 minus 2, 4, 1, 7 minus 7, 1. Or else one more formula is there. X minus x1. So that is one. Okay, enough, you'll do this one formula. That is, we'll use some other time, that formula. So half is there already. So we are expanding the determinant. Half into 5 into 4 minus 4 plus 7 minus 5 into minus 2 minus 7 plus 1 into 14 minus 28. This is equal to half into 4 plus 7 is how much? 11. 11 into 5 is 55 minus 9 minus 1 is plus 45. Then 14 minus 28 is equal to minus 14. Minus
14 minus 14.
That is equal to 45, 50, 50, 100. 100 minus 14 is equal to 86. So 86 by 2 is equal to 43 square units.
43.
Same question can ask in the form of multiple choice question. The same question also can come in the second section as a numerical value questions. That time, if you write only 43, you will be losing 1 mark. Unit also is important.
Yes.
Because we know that unit decides the value. For example, if I take 43, let us say they are given in this one. So, for example, they are given the same question in some other, let us say in meter. You are not writing meter or centimeter. Centimeter means 20 will come. Correct? No? The numerical value
Yes.
question 4,300 is different from 43, correct? So when you are writing, when you are solving your paper, I told every time solve, I give 1 or 2 fill in the blanks questions. So in a paper, when you're getting part A and part B questions, especially in the part B question, when you write numerical value question, see whether unit has to be mentioned. If it is unit has to be mentioned, mention proper unit. Sometimes we have to use some scientific notions. Use scientific notions exactly. Sometimes they'll say correct to 3 decimal points. Use 3 decimal points. Or sometimes approximate. All these things will come when you do problems on algebra. That time you'll be doing all some and limits. That time you'll be coming all these concepts there again. Limits not much. Mainly the concept of algebra and other things will be getting all these things, statistics and so on. Probability. That chapter also we use a lot of this correct to 3 decimal points, correct to 2 decimal points, everything. So now we'll solve some of the questions from rotation of axis. So translation of axis is understood now. How we can how we are using different types of theorems and corollaries to solve the problems. Now we'll go to the rotation of axis. The axis is rotated through an angle 45 degree. The axis is rotated through an angle 45 degree without changing the direction of the coordinates. So without changing the direction of the coordinates. X and Y. Sorry, without changing the direction of the coordinate of the origin. This origin is not getting changed. Then the point root 2, 4 becomes what in the old system. So now they're telling this is my axis X and Y. It's like this. X and use small letters. Small x, small y, small x dash, small y dash. Now this axis is rotated with an angle theta. So this will become x, y, x dash, y dash. When this axis is rotated with an theta, becomes like this, then they're telling there is one point, let us say one point root 2, 4. This is the point in the new transform rotated axis. Then they're telling what is this point value in the old. So we'll take the theorem number 3. Theorem number 3 says x is equal to h plus x cos theta minus y sin theta. Hello. Y is equal to
K plus
k plus x
X sin theta
Sin theta plus 1 cos theta.
plus
by
y.
cos theta.
Now my h value and k value. H value is equal to root 2.
Root
K
2,
value is equal to 4.
4.
Theta is equal to 45 degree.
Four.
This is value x is equal to root 2 plus cos 45.
1.
1 by root 2.
1 by
1 by root
Cos 45 is equal to
1 by root 2.
1 by root 2. Sorry. Extremely sorry. I made one mistake here. I have written the formula of general transformation. Correct, no? You two are not told me. So formula x is equal to x cos theta minus y sin theta.
y sin theta.
Y is equal to
Small y
sin theta
x sin theta plus y
Plus
cos theta.
y cos theta. That old angle is 45. Point root 2 comma 4 is in which this one is in the new coordinate system. That is what this value is capital X comma capital Y. Correct now? H comma K comes only in translation.
Yes, sir.
H comma K is what the value of the origin when it is shifted to new place. Correct now? So we are not shifting the origin at all here. We are only rotating.
Yes,
Because
sir.
of rotation, we are getting new point. So new point, that all root 2 comma 4 is a coordinate in the new system, the new point. Therefore, my root 2 comma 4 will become capital X and capital Y. So therefore, small x is
Yes,
equal to
sir.
root 2 into cos 45 is equal to
1 by root 2.
Root 2.
my
So
y
answer.
value is equal to
4 into 1 by root
1 by root 2.
So answer will be
This
1.
here itself, root it cancels 1.
1 minus 2 root 2.
I'll
2
do
root
at
2.
least 2 into root 2 whole square into 1 by root 2. So 1 root 2 get cancelled. So what is left out is 1 minus 2 root 2.
2 root 2.
1 root 2, sir.
This is my x value. Now I have to find out my y value. Y is equal to
Same,
x
sir. Same as x.
cos theta.
1 plus root 2, sir. 1 plus 2 root 2 is equal
Ah,
to
sir.
1 plus root
Everything
2.
only.
Plus y is equal to 4 into 1 by
1.
root 2. That is equal to
1
1
plus
1.
plus 2 root 2.
2 root 2.
2 root 2.
Listen carefully,
Yes,
Vignesh.
sir.
It is not same as x. X we are getting minus, y we are
Sir,
getting plus.
that's what I said, sir. Same as x and the sign will change. That's what I say.
So this is the coordinate of p root 2 comma 4 in the old coordinate system.
Sir,
Now next question. The axis is rotated with an angle 30 degree. If the axis is rotated with an angle 30 degree, then the coordinate 2 root 3, the coordinate 2 root 3 minus 3 in the new system is dash. Now listen carefully. The question what they given is the angle is theta is equal to 30 degree. And 2 root 3 minus 3, if the points are in which coordinate? Old system or new system?
Old system.
Old system.
old
Old
system.
system.
What they are given is they given the value of x is equal to 2 root 3 and my value, small y value is minus 3. Now y we have to find out capital X. Nothing. Use the same formula. You'll do. You have to use what is this called as what is this called as, we'll get two equations, you can simplify, then
Yes, sir.
one more method there. For x is equal to x cos theta
X cos
minus
theta
y
plus
sin theta. This will be is equal to, now I will go a little down, no problem. My x value is equal to 2 root 3 is equal to, my capital X value I don't know,
by 2.
but cos 30 is how much?
Root 3 by
Cos
2.
30 is equal to root 3
Root
by
3 by 2.
minus my y I don't know, I keep y as it
Y
is.
into 1 by
C value is equal to
1 by
1 by 2. So, since LCM is same, I'll take what is called as 2 as LCM, so it will be root 3x minus y. So that is equal to root 3. That is 2 to get cancels. Sorry, not
So
2 to
4
get
root
cancels.
3, sir.
It is 4 root
4
3.
root 3, sir.
Sorry. I take this as equation 1. Now take y. Y is equal to x sin theta plus y cos theta. What is my y value they given? My y value is equal to minus 3 they are told. So take this equation now. X I don't know. 1 by 2 plus y I don't know. This will become root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2.
to x plus root 3y. X plus root 3y is equal to minus 6.
Minus 6.
So take equation 1 and equation 2, solve it. That is root 3x minus 5 is equal to 4 root 3 x
So 5 equal to 5 root 3.
root 3y is equal to minus 6. So I'll equate the term of x. So what I will do, multiply this one by root 3. This I will multiply by 1. So the equation will become like this. Root 3x minus root
X
3y
equal to minus 1.
4 root 3. So this will become again minus, sorry, root 3x root 3 into root 3 will become plus 3y is equal to minus 6 root 3. So if you simplify this one, sign changes, this one get cancels. This is I'll take minus common out here. So this will be root 3 plus 3 into y is equal to this one will be how much?
So
This
I
one
got
will
the answer.
be 4 plus 4 6 10 root 3.
10 root 3.
Okay. So I want the value of y. Y is equal to 10 root 3 divided by, okay, I'll put this minus on top, root 3 plus 3.
By
Sir,
We
you're a
can't,
bit wrong, I think so.
So in first equation, y coordinate is 1, so not root 3.
No,
First,
sir, y equal to 5 root 3.
first ST, y.
first equation correct. Root 3 plus y is equal to 4 root 3.
So in substituting, you substituted root 3y. In down, sir.
Sir,
Subtraction.
first equation root 3
Yeah, sir, 3 by minus y equal to 2y.
correct is there. What is wrong is there?
Sir, you did wrong, sir.
Where?
You have multiplied into 1 on the first equation, then it will be root 3x minus y.
This will become y.
Yes,
Okay.
root 3 is
Okay. This will be become root 3 will cancel. So this will become minus y minus 5. It will become 4y. So it will be minus 4y is equal to minus 4y is equal to
10 root 3. Sir.
10 root 3. So I want y value. So y value will become how much means minus 5 root 3 by 2. So put this value of y in one of the equation. I'll take the first equation. That is, what is my first equation is? What is my first equation? 3 root x minus y is equal to 3 root 3. What is the first equation?
Sir, x is equal to 3 by 2.
Root 3x minus y. Root 3x minus y is equal to, tell me the equation first.
4 root 3, sir.
4 root 3. So substitute the value of here. Y value is how much here? Y value is
Minus 5 root 3 by 2.
5 root 3 by 2 is equal to 4 root 3. If it goes this side, it becomes minus root 3x is equal to 4 root 3 minus 5 root 3 by 2. If you take LCM, 8 root 3 minus 5 root 3 by 2 is equal to, so the LCM will be 3 root 3 by 2 into root 3x. Root 3 get cancelled, so x is equal to 3 by 2. Therefore, my x and y in the new coordinate system is
3 by 2, comma, minus 5 root 3 by 2.
root 3 by 2. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Shall I give you one question as homework? Shall I give you a question as homework? Try out this question as an homework.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, one scrolls down, sir.
Next question. If the axes are rotated, through an angle, pi by 6, radians. The coordinates root 3 by 4, comma 2 by 3 will become dash in the new system.
So can you repeat the question, please?
The axes are rotated through an angle of pi by 6 radians. The coordinates root 3 by 4, comma 2 by 3 will become dash in the new coordinate system.
Sir, can you explain once again the question?
Is the angle theta is equal to pi by 6. That is how many degrees is equal to 30 degrees. So they're telling that the coordinate root 3 comma 4 comma 2 by 3 is given. You have to find this coordinates value in the new system. That means what they're given? They're given small x. Small x is root 3 by 4 and small y is 2 by 3.
2 by 3.
And you have to find the value of capital X and capital Y.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, then we'll stop the thing here. So as I told like earlier itself, kindly go through the entire theory of transformation of axis. Whatever you have learnt in the theory only, it is coming for your weekend exam. And whatever you have solved problems, everything basically on this type you are getting the problems. Some of the problems, if you are not solved, also no problem. Based on the theorem only, direct questions are there. No twisted or no complicated questions are not there. Everything is based on the theorems, corollaries, observations, important note. So some of the equations in rotation I wanted to do, but we couldn't do it because of some time. No problem. Because we spend more time in the translation of axis. So if you learn the corollaries and theorems of rotation of axis, I think only few corollaries are there, not much corollaries are there. Only few theta values, how much theta values, how much A is equal to B, if A is not equal to B, like that, some conditions are there. So if you go through all those things, you can do easily solve the thing. So all the best for your weekend test. We'll meet on Monday. But please don't forget, kindly keep on learning the concepts. With this, I have to give you a small homework. Please kindly learn the trigonometric value of 15 degree, 75 degree of all the function of sine, cos, mainly of these three functions. So please learn the value of sine 15 degree, sine 75 degree.
Okay.
Okay. So we'll if you don't know, use the compound angle formula, sine of A plus B formula, and or else sine of A minus B formula. For same thing for everything. If you want to find out, you can find out as sine 30 plus 45, and you can also find it out as sin 45 minus 30. Same thing for cos 30 plus 45, cos 45 minus 30, tan 30 plus 45, tan 45 minus 30. If it is in your textbook, okay, no problem. If you're using Cengage book, the Cengage book towards the end they should have given in the table. If not, kindly use this for allied angle formula, compound angle formula, and find the value and learn it. So because rotation of axis, sometimes if they give the angle as 15 degree or 75 degree and so on, we'll be using this concept. So we'll meet on Monday, and all the best for your weekend exam. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Students, tomorrow we don't have class. You have a weekend exam. But if there is any backlog class allotted, we will let you know in the group. Right? If any backlog class is allotted, we will let you know in the group. Again, we'll meet on Monday. If there is no backlog class, we'll meet on Monday from 5 to 7.
Hello,
Bye,
madam.
everyone. Yeah.
మేడం నేను గ్రూప్ లో లేను మేడం.
నంబర్ చెప్పు, ఒక నిమిషం.
77.
ఒక్క నిమిషం.
Seven.
7
80.
80
599.
599
650.
50
650.
650. ఒక్క నిమిషం. ఓకే, నేను యాడ్ చేస్తాను.
ఓకే మేడం.
ఒకవేళ నీ దగ్గర నా వాట్సాప్ నంబర్ ఉందా? 733 నంబర్ది.
733.
ఒక్క నిమిషం. 733-728 5228. హలో నవనీత్.
ఉంది మేడం, ఉంది.
ఈ నంబర్ కి హాయ్ అని మెసేజ్ పెట్టు, నేను యాడ్ చేస్తా గ్రూప్ లో. ఓకేనా?
733-7285228.
అవును, దానికి హాయ్ అని మెసేజ్ పెట్టు.
ఓకే.
ఓకే, నేను యాడ్ చేస్తాను. ఓకే, బాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్.